guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be playing around with new BH Cosmetics. I was able to pick up two new palettes that they just released. This is the Blueberry Muffin eyeshadow palette. This is part of the Weekend Vibes collection. And I also picked up their highlighter palette, which is Frose, right? Has the accent on the E. Guys, I'm terrible with pronunciations. Both of them are part of the Weekend Vibes collection. I do have a few other palettes that are in the Weekend Vibes collection as well. And today for bronzer, I'm wearing the Belgian Waffle palette. And let me show you real quick what that looks like. You have some bronzers in there. And you have some really pretty highlighter shades. And then for blush, I have the Bellini Cheek palette. Gorgeous, gorgeous shades. I love just to mix and match them. Today I use these two shades right here. I've been loving these palettes so much, and I have the Avocado Toast and I have the Mimosa palette as well. Beautiful shadows, great pigmentation, blendability. So I have a really, really high hopes for this Blueberry Muffin palette. Guys, I've spoken on this before. BH Cosmetics makes some beautiful highlighters. And let me show you real quick. This is the Frose highlighter palette. Really, really pretty. I, of course, am going to swatch this. I have some outdoor swatches that I did of the highlighter palette. And then this is the Blueberry Muffin palette. Look at that color story. Really pretty, really unique, really different. So far, guys, these two shades right here, which is Sweet and Cheap Day, my favorite. Like, those were the first ones I swatched and I was blown away. I thought they were so pretty. So I'm going to be creating two different looks using both of these palettes. This is the Blueberry Muffin eyeshadow palette and this is the Frose highlighter palette. God, I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If you guys want to see the looks I create using these new BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes palettes, keep on watching. Alright guys, so these are the two completed looks using the two new Weekend Vibes palettes from BH Cosmetics. This is the Blueberry Muffin Eyeshadow Palette, and this is the Frose highlighter palette. Let me go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts. So let's start first with the highlighter palette. This is a 6-pan gorgeous highlighter palette. This palette retails for $18. I picked both of my palettes up straight from the BH Cosmetics website, but they are also available on the Ulta Beauty website. They just became available like a couple days ago. You do get a full-size mirror on this, and guys, I've said this before, BH Cosmetics makes an incredibly insane, pigmented, blinding highlighter, and this little palette is no different. I'm wearing 4 or 5 of the shades on my face right now. I had a feeling, I didn't try this one. I didn't try Slushy. I want to say that maybe Slushy was the only shade that I didn't try. I was worried that this shade Cheers was going to be a little bit dark for me, but I have it over here on this side, and I think I blended it in pretty good. I don't feel like it's leaving a cast or anything, but as you can tell, these are blinding, and that's because I have all of these studio lights on, and studio lights tend to drown out some of that blindiness that the highlights give off. But I mean, there is no lack in shine here. I think BH Cosmetics, they did another outstanding job with their highlighter palettes. I have several others from BH Cosmetics that I really love, and for me guys, I know I can always count on BH Cosmetics to deliver a blinding highlight. This is a really nice palette. I think it complements the other palettes in the Weekend Vibes collection really well, especially the Bellini palette, which is the cheek palette. So I think if you were, let me hold them both up next to each other so you guys can see. But if you were thinking about maybe updating your cheek wardrobe, I guess, so to speak, these would make really nice companions to each other. And guys, if you feel like maybe some of the highlighters just lean a little too dark, or maybe have a grayish tint on your skin, use them on your eyes. I know that sometimes when we buy face palettes, you can't always use every single color. These are definitely wearable on the eyelids and in the inner corner. You can totally make these shades work anywhere on your face. So just heads up on that, but really did enjoy using this palette. Now for the Blueberry Muffin Eyeshadow Palette. This is a 16-pan eyeshadow palette. It also retails for $18, and of course you have the mirror on top. I love, this is like the quintessential blueberry muffin. Like, it really is. Now I really need to get a blueberry muffin. Shame on me for not having one here while I'm filming this video. But guys, I've told you before, I love food themed makeup, and growing up, I always loved blueberry muffins. That was always my favorite type of muffin to eat. So when I saw this palette on Instagram, I was like, that's mine, I need to get it. And I just think it's such a unique color story with the browns and the blues and like the periwinkles, and the shimmers are just outstanding. I really, really loved it. These two, my favorite shades. Sweet and Cheat Day, also Yummy. Yummy is very pretty, and so are the two browns and kind of maroonish shades, which is Decadent and 350 Degrees. I just think, I mean, look at the shade names on here. I think they just did such a great job with it. I mean, when I swatched the shades, guys, they all swatched really well, and I have other Weekend Vibes eyeshadow palettes in my collection. They perform so well. I think this one might be my new favorite. This one and Avocado Toast. I really loved using that palette. But this little palette, guys, for 18 bucks, that's not bad. You're getting some nice quality blendable pigmented eyeshadows. There is some kick up in the pan and I got very little fallout. So if you're like me, you don't like to do your eyes first, you don't really have to worry about getting a lot of fallout. If you are still a little bit worried about it, just lay down some setting powder under your eye area and then wipe it off when you're done. But I really think if you're looking for these bluish periwinkle tones, I really think this is a nice palette to incorporate into your eyeshadow wardrobe. I just love it. I can't say enough good things about it and I can't wait to play around with it again. Guys, I also picked up, I don't think I mentioned this in the beginning, but I got one of the new BH Cosmetics OMG glitter pots. This is a face and body glitter. And I got the shade Lemon Lime Light. Let me go ahead and swatch this for you because I didn't swatch it outside. It's like a glitter gel formula. And wow, this is pretty. I just wanted something bright. I wouldn't wear this on my body, but I can definitely make it work somewhere on my face. So I'm really excited for this one. Again, I picked up these 3 items straight from the BH Cosmetics website, but they are available now on Ulta. However, I don't think this shade of the body and face glitter is available on the Ulta website yet. I know they had 2 other shades, but I think they were like a gold and silver shade. Guys, in case you're wondering, for mascara, I went in with the Pat McGrath Labs. This is her latest mascara. This is the Dark Star mascara. I really do enjoy using that one. And for the eyeliner, where are my eyeliners? This side is Tarte. This side is It Cosmetics, just a plain black liner. And then on the inner corner, I mean, not on the inner corner, but on the lower waterline on this side, I use the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in, what is it? Love. And then over here on the lower waterline, oh, here it is. This is the one I used. This is the Tarteist. This is a dual-ended liner, and this is in the shade Burgundy. So on one side, you have the felt tip, and then on the other side, you have a pencil, which this is what I applied straight into my lower waterline. That completes today's video over the new BH Cosmetics Weekend Vibes palettes. What are your thoughts? Have you picked up anything from the Weekend Vibes collection? Maybe you picked up one of these palettes. Definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know all of your thoughts. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.